Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Top 50 Women in Management Professional Career Awards 2020.
If we have value-driven voters, we can change politicians. So Sri Lanka cannot blame politicians because they are elected by us, not for country, for our personal agendas. The day we start loving our country, we will elect politicians for our motherland, not to make our roof or road or to get our business license, but for our country.
It was an amazing, pleasurable thing for us to read of the achievements of so many women.
Here we go with the first segment for this evening. Winner of Art and Creative Industry, Soundari David Rodrigo. We'd like to recognize the Senior Vice President Consumer Banking at DFCC Bank PLC, Gillian Edwards. Professor Nilanthi De Silva, the winner of Legal Category at Attorney General Office, Presidential Lawyer Ayesha Jinasena, our one and only male champion of change. Chairman of Jetwin Symphony PLC, please put your hands together for Hiran Kure. Please put your hands together for Lihini Fernando. Emerging Business Leader of the Year, Celine Perez. Winner of Career Achievements Financial Sector, Nilanthi Sivaprakasan. Outstanding Women Entrepreneur on Large Category, Shamali Vijayagunavardhana. Managing Director IAS Holdings, Tanya Polanovita Bethamani. Owner of House of Indi, Indivariyappa Abhevardhana. Representing Medical Service, GC Udugama Korala, Special Grade Nursery Officer at IDH. We also would like to recognize Public Health Service, Upul Rohana, Lieutenant Colonel WMHS Veerasurya.
We've long taken a comprehensive approach to reducing gender inequality. We create partnerships to encourage hiring of women, to improve the conditions under which they work.
We begin with the Inspirational Woman of the Year, Professor Neelika Malavige, Changemaker for Women, Aroshi Nanakara. Put your hands together for Dilhani Gunaratna, Madhushani Udeshika, Ishara Sewandi, WAK Mangalika, Erandi Fernando, Dilki Nadisha, Pujani Dilki, Udyangani Prasadi, Shamila Rasikani and Chatrika Harshani. A team of female rubber-tired gantry train operators at the Sri Lanka Ports Authority. Congratulations to the program manager of Sirasa TV for Daragami Mama Jivite, Dilan Devinder. Congratulations to the chairperson of Indira Cancer Trust, Dr. Nirshani Jayasurya Disanayaka. The best CSR project on women empowerment by an organization, Commercial Bank of Ceylon PLC. Best private sector organization promoting women in workplace. Congratulations to Standard Chartered Bank. Congratulations to the Managing Director, McLaren's Group, Shehara De Silva Jayavardhana, Career Role Model of the Year. Chamila Bandara, Business Role Model of the Year. Sita Yampat, Business Role Model of the Year. Indivari Amuwatta. Congratulations to Shehara De Silva. Put your hands together for the Trailblazer of the Year, Kasturi Chellaraja Wilson. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Appreciation Awards recognizing the long-standing partnership. Coca-Cola Sri Lanka Appreciation Award recognizing the long-standing partnership. Lanka IOC. Continue now, ladies and gentlemen, to the third segment of awards. Winner of Corporate Communication, Kumudu N. Munasinghe. This was a big blast on social media, and she deserves a big round of applause too. Sri Lanka Police, DRG for Police Welfare, Bimshani Jasin Arachi, Rika Pereira, winner of the Finance Sector. Winner of the Human Resources category, Tilanka Jayatilaka. Winner of Marketing and Advertising, Sharmila Arsaratnam. Winner of Print Media, Namini Vijayadasa. Winner of Science, Technology and Innovation Industry, Sangeeta Navaratnam. Winner of Sports category. Congratulations to Dinesha Pereira. Winner of State and Government Sector, Shamali Chitralekha Pereira. Winner of Supply Chain and Logistics, Amali Mudunkotua Mendes. Winner of Travel and Tourism, Nayantara Fonseca. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating Shanuki De Alves, Best Social Worker of the Year, Kulara Samansiri Karuna Ratna Primary School, Guru Singhage Nanda Malini. Business Editor of Silomina Newspapers, W.A. Inoka Pereira. Give a round of applause to Dilani De Silva. Congratulations to the Chief Finance Officer, Sifara Farooq Ismail, Inspirational Entrepreneur of the Year. Put your hands together for Professor Ramani Arsakularatna, Inspirational Woman in the Career Leadership. Siddhika Senaratna, winner of the upcoming Woman Entrepreneur. Lonali Rodrigo, winner of the upcoming Woman Entrepreneur. Payana Santuru, winner of the upcoming Woman Entrepreneur. Dilakshana Manoharan, Dr. Tushari Koralage. Congratulations to the Managing Director of Hanun Villas and Restaurants, Naomi Hanunetti. Ladies and gentlemen, the final award this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, to the head of panel of judges, Shiramal Kure. Program Manager of Women in Work, IFC, Sarah Twig. Executive Vice President of John Keel's Group, Nadija Tambaya. Managing Director, Haley's Agriculture, Jayanti Dharmasena. Marketing Consultant, Mr. Kumar Samarasinghe. CEO of Crew Track Sri Lanka, Maldives and Pakistan, Dr. Rohanta Athukorala. Associate Director Corporate of Regulatory Affairs and Consumer Care, Fonterra Brands Lanka Private Limited, Ms. Thamari Senanaika. And the CEO of Shippers Academy Colombo Private Limited, Mr. Rohan Masakorala. The Women Member of the Year goes to Dr. Himali De Silva. Congratulations to Women in Management celebrating 10 years.
Congratulations to all the winners tonight. In conclusion, I like to leave you with this quote by Michelle Obama in her convention speech 2012. When you worked hard and done well and walked through that doorway of opportunity, you don't slam it shut behind you. You reach back and you give other folks the same chances that helped you succeed.